am V. Sharma, Associate Professor, Deputy Department from Sharma College of Engineering and Technology, and I was given the privilege of conducting a seminar on the topic workshop on intellectual property rights, IPRs and IP management for a startup, for which I am very grateful to our Chief Patron, Mr. Muhammad Shah Alam Rasid Khan sir, Chairman of Sharma College of Engineering and Technology, Patron Dr. Muhammad Atikur Rahman sir, Principal of Sharma College of Engineering and Technology, and also organizing team members, Dr. R. Jyoti Kumar sir, President SCET, IISc, and to our HOD EC department, Dr. Ilyas sir, who is also the Vice President of SCET, IISc, convener, HOD Mechanical Department, Dr. Nasir Khan sir, and the student coordinator, Hamzabin Abdul Muji, the 4th year CSC batch. Now today's session, the objectives of which are to understand the intangibility of IPRs, to appreciate the value of protected IP in gaining competitive advantage, and to gain an overview of the strategic elements towards better leverage of IP. Intellectual property rights is the one what we often get confusion with regard to rights that what we take in day-to-day life. The rights and responsibilities both are having its own place in day-to-day life. But these rights pertaining to property, intellectual property, is somewhat different